So here we have these three different shoehorns. Now, one of these is much better than the others, so let me quickly compare them and then I'll let you know which one that is. Alright, so starting off on the bottom, we have the Falcon shoehorn, and then this is the Zomake shoehorn, and then this last one here is the Island Genius shoehorn. Now, they're all made of stainless steel, and they all have some sort of hook near the end here that makes it easy to grip onto, as well as easy to hang up, but the handles are a bit different. This one has a rubber coating on it, this one is actually covered in leather, and this one is just bare metal. And they're all relatively comfortable and easy to use, but I do like the leather handle the best. Then another difference that's pretty obvious is going to be that this Zomake shoehorn is actually black. I think it looks really nice, and paired with the brown leather, it looks the best out of all three. That being said though, one of the most important things about shoehorns is going to be their strength, and let me tell you, these are not all created equal. One of the biggest factors in strength is going to be their thickness, and you can see the Island Genius shoehorn is much thicker than the rest, maybe even twice as thick as the Zomake shoehorn. And all in all, the Zomake shoehorn is just really thin. This one is really easy to bend. I can pretty easily bend it with just my bare hands. Same thing with the Falcon shoehorn, although it is a little bit more difficult, but this Island Genius shoehorn, the one that's like twice as thick, is really solid. Even if I try and bend it, it just doesn't want to. It's just really solid. I could probably bend it near the handle here if I really wanted to, but most of the force when you're using it is going to be applied down here, and even after multiple uses and me trying to bend it a bunch of times, it's just really solid and isn't going to bend. So yeah, out of all three of these, if you're purely going off looks, then in my opinion, the Zomake is the better shoehorn, but overall, and especially in terms of strength, the Island Genius shoehorn is pretty clearly the best out of all three of these.